Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Honestly, thank you guys for the likes, thank you for all the comments, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you also for telling your friends to subscribe. I am grateful. So in today's video, I am making a full pot of beans. Yes, full pot of jollof beans, and I'd like to carry you all along. Yes, and I'll be showing you the ingredients that I use in making my full pot of beans. I hope you enjoy this video and also you get motivated to cook. So in this bowl I have my washed tomatoes, I have my crayfish, I have my onion, I have my pepper, I have my shombo as well, I have my Maggi, I have my salt, and I also have my palm oil, the star of the show. So I'll be blending all of these ingredients together and giving it a proper fry. So let's get right into it. So guys, this is the finished look of my pot of beans jollof. I hope you try this recipe and you absolutely love it. Just look at this. Look at this.